salamat sa lahat ng nandito ngayon.
Wow, thank you for coming to here.
Baka dito na ako maghanap ng ano.
Nam? Sabihin mo na.
Esposa.
Oh! Grabe lakas ang alak dito. Tinamahan ako. So,
You know what? Are you proud to be Filipinos here in Philippines? That's good. You know, it's embarrassing, although what's happening in the Philippines right now, the Philippine politics is embarrassing, but I'm still proud to be a Filipino, you know. Having said that, it's your turn to sing. Come on, hands up!
are you guys still with us? Yes! Oy, cheers muna tayo! Salute!
Any lady, any girl who wants to sing with us, who knows the words to Thank you guys, thank you girls, thank you ladies. That was fun.
Grabe! Energy! One of the reasons why we're here,
The reason why we have a Europe tour.
Europe tour.
It's from Birmingham.
Yes. Kamukha po niya si ano eh. Tingdo. Avansado. Inilagas. Ito na.
Hello guys! Sobrang init dito ngayon sa Madrid. Pero ngayon meron tayong special event na pupuntahan kung saan pupunta nga tayo sa concert ng Orange and Lemon dito sa Madrid, Spain. Bale, first time ko na manood ng concert na banda na galing ng Pilipinas at medyo excited na tayo, no? Sa sobrang ang tagal na nating hindi nakikita at saka yung talagang ang tawag nito, yung naririnig na kumakanta ng live ang Orange and Lemon. So, ngayon, samahan nyo ako at pupunta tayo kasama ng mga Pilipino dito sa Madrid at Spain. Puntahan natin ang concert nga ng Orange and Lemon. Okay, so magbabas tayo. Nandito nga tayo sa bus, papunta ng concert. Walang laman yung bus, ako lang, di ba? Sana all. Sana ganito din yung transport. Ay, public transport sa Pilipinas. Dito yung venue, guys. Mamaya mapapapasok na sila. Mon Madrid. At eto yung ating mga kababayan na nag-aantay. Hello, Day! Ayan, ang dami. So, malapit na. Hanggang doon yung pila. Hanggang doon.
Bayad na po yun namin. Nag-research na po.
Kay Michelle.
So yun, hanggang doon guys. Marami. Sobrang marami. Ayan, makakapasok na tayo na babe. Okay guys, malapit na tayo sa entrance. The line is moving. So ayan, yung ating mga kababayan. Ang gaganda nila. Ayan. Bawal daw yung mga mga botelya. Mga bottle. Ang dami mga bawal. Guys, nandito na tayo sa venue. Oh my God! Everybody's excited na. Okay, ayan. Ito na. Ito yung ating ticket at yan ang entrance. Ayan guys, napunit na yung ating ticket so we're going inside. Ay! Nasaan? Oh my God! Oh my God! Hello everyone! Oh my God! Medyo maluwang pala siya guys. Sobrang luwang. Oh. Nandito na ating mga kababayan. Oh, grabe. Ang gaganda ng ating mga kababayan. Ang dami nila. Oh, grabe. I love the venue. Parang baka doon siguro yung VIP sa taas. Ayan. Ito pala yung kanilang partner, busy rin yan. Ito pala yung partner. So yan, ang daming tao.
Hindi mo, saan dapat yan? Bukal na ibuhabi yan.
Ano yung stage? At ito yung mga fans. At yung mga kababayan. Ito yung magaganda nila siya. Daming tao. Konting minutes na lang guys, mag-start ng ating ang ating concert.
Pag-uusap na yung mga
Hi! May tinda sila ngayon. Okay, so...
Available din po ang Orange and Lemons merchandise. We have
on this side, on the left side, if you can see, t-shirt po ng Orange and Lemons. May nakalagay na, umuwi ka na, baby. Yan. That is, sorry. Ano po yun? Ano po? Nawala ko sa tono. Ayun. I think everybody is excited. So, the t-shirt is cost 30 euros. That is included of course, signed po ng members. And of course, you have the opportunity to have photos. And then also we have posters signed as well. And you will have opportunity, exclusive opportunity as well. And so while waiting, we would like to thank our sponsors for tonight.
Ayan po! Totoo nga!
Or K Familia Bar and Restaurant, A&M Batangueño, Puhon Productos Filipinos, Maris. Fortunately, in a while, darating na po yung banda. Alright, have fun and I'll see you again later. Alright, once again, welcome to Orange and Lemons Live in Madrid. I know inip na kayo lahat, so let's have some Q&A muna tayo dito. Ito yung favorite ko to kumanta. What's your favorite Orange and Lemons song?
Just like a splendid love song.
Can we have a sample? Everyone say sample! Sample! Wow! Sana ka tayo ng Orange and Lemons yan tonight. Anybody else? May I have some sample? Ba't lumalayo? Ayun naman. Come. Ito. I think si Madam. Sorry. Can we have a sample tonight? What's your name, ma'am? Yusen. Nice to see you here. What's your favorite song from Orange and Lemons? Hanggang kailan. I think that's my favorite as well. Pero wala lang sa tono. Let's see. Baka makukuha ko. Tama na. Para masakit na. Mamaya, reserve natin naman. Last one from the side. Ayun, gusto mo yung tumataas ang kamay. Madam, what's your name? And where are you from? Shout out.
My name is Bless from Bohol.
Saya. What's your favorite Orange and Lemon song?
Pinoy ako.
Ano yun? Okay, let's have some sample.
Pinoy, ikaw ay Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano kaya mo. Ibang-ibang Pinoy, huwag kang matasakot.
Serve your energy for later. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po sa ating mga representatives from the crowd. Ayun, while waiting para naman hindi tayo... Are you okay? While waiting para hindi naman tayo mainip, our biggest sponsor, of course, Bisserimit, prepared some games for everybody. So, masyadong mahirap to ha, very challenging. So, the winners will receive a tote bag and... Wow, look at this. Look, all eyes here. Wine. Perfect for tonight. Diba yun? So let's see. I will choose somebody from the crowd. Yung pinakaunang mag-raise ng kanilang kamay. Okay? First question. Walang music. Anyway. Number one. Ayan ha. No cheating. Ayan. Okay. Number one. Anong online remittance app ang may 24/7 Tagalog? Wait, magtampo na talaga ako. Ang may 24/7 Tagalog. Wait na. Okay. Ang may 24/7 customer service in 3, 2, 1. Madam with gray jumper. Sirimi, tama ba? Yes! No. Alright. Second question, let's go. Mas papahirapan ko, ayun. Second question, ano naman ang online remittance app ang may mataas na exchange rate in 3, 2, 1? Wow, this is sir. Ano yun? Ano remittance Upstart?
Busy Remix!
Yeah! Congratulations! Alright, this time, mas mahirap. Mas mahirap. Turn on your brains. Let's go. Ano naman ang online remittance app na gawang Pinoy 100% na para sa Pinoy? I want is malayo. Parang favorite reason. Girl with eyeglasses. Let's go, ma'am. Walang kiyaan dito. Trauma tayo lahat. What's your name? Sagot! Ayun! Congratulations! Alright, question number 4. Anong online remittance app ang siguradong dumarating? This one. Let's go. What's your name? What's your name, ma'am? Ma'am Carla. Yeah, congratulations! At ang pinakamahirap sa lahat, bring me BC Remittance app on your phones. Oh! Ayun, we have from the crowd. Let's see. Show me, bring me. BC Remittance app. Walang signal, no? What's your name? Wendy. 5, 4, 3. Saan na? Ayun, loading. Ayun! Congratulations! Ayun. So, BC Remit, thank you so much. And siguradong dumarating. Download BC Remit in Google Play and Apple App Store. Ayan. Again, maybe around, makita pa kayo, 5 minutes. More? Wala na. Wala. Ay, ano na lang, kanta ko, baka umalis kayo. Ano ba? Ha? May curfew. Ito na, nakikita ko na sila. Excited na kayo, di ba? Ayun. Let's hear some photos, girl. Pag ako sumampot, mawawala kayo. Anyway, again, once again, we have the merchandise from Orange and Lemons t-shirt and posters. T-shirt is for 30 euros, inclusive of signature of all members, plus opportunity for you. Alright, thank you so much for being patient and waiting, right? Alright, so, hello Madrid! Kamusta naman tayong lahat? Ayun na, mahina na. Kamusta naman tayong lahat? How about on this side? Kamusta naman tayong lahat? Ayun, parang okay na yun. Okay na yung crowd na yun. So, good evening everybody. My name is Charm and I will be your host for tonight. And welcome sa isang gabi ng puno ng music, nostalgia, good vibes and memories dito sa Mon Club Madrid. At syempre, bago tayo magsimula, isang malaking palakpak muna para sa ating organizer ngayong gabi. Ito ang BC Remit. Thank you. Mga kababayan, friends and guests, maraming salamat po for joining us tonight. We are very happy to see familiar faces and of course, new faces. Before we officially begin, we would like to recognize the amazing people who made this event possible. This is Orange and Lemon Live in Madrid, brought to you by BC Remit and Dorison Events. We would also like to thank our partner, BC Remit Partner Empowered Filipinos, alongside Klase and Mabuhay Travel. A huge shout out also to our official sponsors, the Filipino Homes, Mega World International, Black Mibora Tattoos, Hotel 101, Ayuyang Karaoke Bar, K Familia Bar and Restaurant, A&M Batanggenyo, Tuhod Productos Filipinos, Mary's Closet, El Torresno, Bilao, and the New Stylist Salon. Ayun, bigyan po natin ng malakas na palakpak ang ating mga sponsors for tonight. stage, concert proper, hindi pwedeng diretso tayo agad sa main event dahil kailangan muna nating painitin ang stage and also painitin ang mga boses ninyo. And tonight, ang magpapasimula ng ating gabi ay isang grupo na siguradong magdadala ng good vibes and solid performance. Madrid, are you ready? Bigyan natin ng energy at huwag nang mahiya pa. And let's all welcome the pre-show performers, Plug and Play!
Good evening, everyone! Tayo po magsasayaw, okay? Sa mga gusto magsayaw, sa mga nakakaalam ng kakantay namin, please sing with us, okay? Thank you so much. You were young in your heart with an open door. It's the same but it's ever changing world. What you left there makes you give it. Sit there. But this ever-changing world in which we live in makes you give it a cry.
Baby, let it show how you want to pull it down.
Maraming kakilala nito. On lead, we have Johnny! On lead, we have Paul! On drums, we have Nico! On lead vocals, we have Jennifer! On lead vocals, I am Choi. Maraming salamat po. And ay nararapat na tangingin. Awitin ba ako ay naghihintay para sayaw mo? Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang pagsalan sa paglalakbakan. Kaya sa ating awit tayo ay pagbigala.
Wow! Grabe naman talaga. I think mainit na ang boses ng lahat, di ba? Yes, my first time as well. So, I know everybody is excited. So, hindi na natin ito patatagalin pa, di ba? Make some noise! Pero, wait. May official rule tayo, okay? Pag kumanta sila, kakanta din kayo. Yes. Pag pumalakpak sila, papalakpak din kayo. Of course, example, palakpak naman dyan. And lastly, kapag sumayaw sila, sasayaw din tayo. Never mind ang back pain natin dyan. Ayan. Madrid, are you ready? But before that, I know everybody's excited. We would like to remind you na available po yung drinks. Just approach BC Remit staff for 5 euros drinks there. Naka-raise yung hands ng staff. We have a mahiwagang bag ni BC Remit. Ayan. Ano po ito? Tickets? Yes, my surprise gift po ang BC Remit para bago bumalik sa ating trabaho tomorrow, di ba? Ayan. I know we will enjoy it tonight. Yes, and of course, don't forget BC Remit, our main sponsors for tonight. Thank you so much, BC Remit, for bringing our...
Buenas noches, Madrid!
Sonos naranja y limón de Filipinas. Gracias por estar aquí esta noche. Anton. a nosotros y disfruten el concierto. Muchas gracias.
Our roots in Bulacan. A Bulaqueña is actually a painting of Juan Luna. Yeah, national artist. It's displayed in the National Museum of Fine Arts, and we wrote a song about it. Also, we did a collaboration in that album. We did a collaboration with Jose Rizal. Yes, Rizal has a poem in Noli Me Tangere, chapter 23. What's that poem? You know?
Ako, mga absent to mga to. Absent ng high school.
Nakakaya naman sa rebulto ni Rizal dito.
Oo nga.
The poem is called The Song of Maria Clara or Awit ni Maria Clara. Yung Tagalog version, we put music into it and turn it into a song. You can find that in La Bulacan as well. And we did a duet with Lara Maige, singer-songwriter, and soprano singer-songwriter from the Philippines. Yeah, it's worth checking out. If you also like rondalia instruments, we incorporated that in that song. And another national artist, are you familiar with Nicanor Abelardo? Kundiman songwriter. We have a version of the song Bituin Marikina sa gabi ng buhay. So check that out. Check.
We love you too. Kasi tama ng alat na to. Anyway, thank you very much for being here. Alam namin tomorrow meron kayong... May trabaho ba kayo bukas?
Maraming
Wala
salamat.
nang trabaho bukas.
Gracias.
I therefore declare tomorrow is a holiday.
Joke lang. Pero maraming salamat sa inyo.
Yeah, nagpahinga muna kami because we have still 3 days left here in Madrid. Feels.
May kumuha na yung Liverpool.
Oh yeah. Nobody ever loved me like you do. If somebody loved me like you do. Feel like catching for wings, being up all night in the sun. After sleeping in the trance.
Tapos na guys! Next year na ulit. Okay. Bye!
See you again next time. Also for the VIPs, VIPs stay there kasi yung banda pupunta po dyan sa taas. As well as po yung mga bumili